Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my class. Yes, in this class I am going to discuss mathematical aptitude. The topic is percentage. Here I am taking the class Karnataka cassette exam paper 1. Here I am taking only exam paper 1, that is mathematical aptitude. The topic is percentage. Let us discuss the class. Let us start the class here first. Very easy topic, that is percentage. Let us solve the first question. 56% of y is 182. What is y? 56% of y is 182. Write as it is. 56% of y is means equal to 182. Very easy question. 56% means divided by 100. Of means multiplication by it will be 182. You can consider y, it will be 182 into, take the reciprocal of this one, 100 divided by 56. Now cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again this one, 2 9s are 2 1s are. Then 6 4s are 7 4s are 28. Then 7 1s are 7. Then 7 3s are 21. 1300 divided by 4. If you simplify, you will get 325. 325 is the value of y. Simplification I will not explain more, because simplification you can solve very easily. Okay. 56% of y is 182. 56% means 56 by 100. Of means into y, it will be 182. If you know this step, easily you can solve the problem. Then next question number 2. What percentage is 42 kg of 336 kg? Here comparing two quantities, both the unit it must be same. If it is not same, you have to convert that units into same. Then only you can compare any quantities. Otherwise you have to find out the percentage. Both the quantities unit it will be same. Quantity is also same, unit also same. Then only you can compare. What percentage of 42? You are comparing 42 percentage. What percentage 42 of 336? They are asking the percentage. Therefore into 100. Simplify here. 2 1s are 2 6 are 12. 2 8s are 2 2s are again 1s are. Then this one 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14, again 28. 7 4s are 28. 3 1s are 3, 8s are 100 by 8. Again you can cancel. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. 25 divided by 2 is nothing but 12.5. Very easy question. I will move to the next question. I will write here. If 15% of y is same as 21% of z, then 12.5% of y is equal to what percentage of z? I will write as it is. 15% of y is same as, it will be equal to 25% of z. then 12.5 percentage of y, it will be equal to what percentage of z, what percentage of z. Then cross multiply here, 12.5 percentage into 21 percentage divided by 15 percentage, it will get cancelled, then only 1 percentage it will be remaining. Simplify, 125 divided by 15 into 10, convert this 12.5 convert as a decimal, then 125 divided by 10, otherwise I will write down only, you will not get confused. 125, 12.5 convert into in terms of fraction, 125 divided by 10 into 21 into 15, this one is 15, then cancel with 5, then 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are again 5 3s are 5 5s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 7 5s are 35 divided by 2, 35 divided by 2 is nothing but 17.5 percentage. Therefore, what percentage of Z is 17.5 percentage? Very easy problem. Okay. Next, fourth question. If price of rice is 30% less than that of wheat, here they are comparing the price of rice with wheat. Then the price of wheat is how much percentage more than that of the rice? The price of wheat is how much percentage more than that of the rice? Here we don't know the wheat price also, rice price also we don't know. Consider wheat per kg is rupees 100 per kg. Okay, because we don't know any values, we don't know the price of wheat also, we don't know the price of rice also. Assume the wheat price is 100 rupees per kg. Then here, if price of rice is 30% less than that of wheat, rice is 30% less than wheat. 30% less than wheat means 30 divided by 100, less than means minus 30% less than wheat. Assume in the reverse way, 100 minus 30 percentage of 100 we have to do. Total wheat is cost is 100, in that one 30% less than of 100, because that only 30% less than wheat. Then 100 minus 30 percentage of 100 is 30, then we will get 70 rupees, that is the cost of the rice. Wheat is 100 rupees, then 30% less than of wheat is 70. Directly you can write, I wrote one more step, those who are not able to understand, otherwise you can skip this step. 30% of 100 is nothing but 70, that is the price of the rice. Then here they are asking how much percentage more than that of the rice. What is this? Wheat is more, the cost of wheat is more compared to the rice. Then how much percentage is more, they are asking the question. When you are comparing two quantities, one formula is there, A by B into 100. Here I am comparing wheat cost with rice. Wheat cost with rice, how much percentage is more, they are asking. 100 divided by 70 into 100, 10 get cancelled, 1000 divided by 7 is nothing but 142.85 percentage. Here what is the original price, what we consider, what is the percentage of wheat, we don't know. Wheat cost we consider as a 100%, otherwise 100 rupees. Then minus this one, 142 85% minus 100%, we will get here 42.85 percentage it will be more. Understood? 100%, how much it will be more? Don't get confused, very easy question. Here they are asking if price of rice is 30% less than that of a wheat, then price of wheat is how much percentage more than that of the rice. Here they are asking the percentage, therefore minus with 100. How much percentage more? 142.85 percentage more means minus that one with 100, you will get 42.85 percentage more than that of the cost of the rice. Very easy question. Understand the question. If you understand easily, you can solve. You have to remember here, if any two quantities, if they are not given, then one quantity you have to assume as the cost, it will be 100. Next, question number 5. Next problem. The price of apple is first increased by 10%, then decreased by 10. What is the change in the price of the apple? Here also the price of the apple they are not given. You can assume the price of the apple is ₹100. This is the price of the apple. Assume, you can take it as 100, 200, 300, but 100 for simplification purpose it will be easy. That's why I will consider 100 only. Okay, then here first increased by 10%. 10% of 100 means increased by 100 plus 10% of 100. 10% of 100, I will do it here. 10 divided by 100 into 100. 100 get cancelled. You will get 10 here. 10% of 100 is 10. Then you will get 110 rupees. Rupees it will be 110 rupees after 10% hike, increased by 10%. Again this rupees 110 is decreased. Decreased, I will write it as minus 10%. Here you are having original 110 minus 10% of 110. You can write it as 11 directly, but I am writing one more step. 0 get cancelled, then it will be 11. 110 minus 11, it will be 99. Understood everyone? Understood? It is very easy question. First, the price of apple, we don't know what is the price of apple. It is increased by 10%, means 10% of 100 is 10. 100 plus 10, you will get 110. Then it is decreased by 10%. Then again 110. 10% of 110 is 11. 110 minus 11 is 99. What is the change of the rupees here? Beginning 100, at the end 99. Then there will be a change of rupees 1. But here they are asking what is the change in the price of the apple. What is the change in the price of the apple? That is 1. You can put this one in terms of percentage, means 1 by 100 into 100. 100 get cancelled, it will be 1%. If they are asking the rupees, it will be 1 rupees. If they are asking the percentage, it will be 1%. What is the change in the price of the apple? Beginning it is 100, at the end price of the apple is 99. Then what is the change in price is rupees 1 rupees. Okay, then how much percentage change? It will be 1%. Very easy question. Let us move to the next question now. Now question number 6, 7, 8. I will solve only 3 questions. These are the very tricky question. Not tricky, but it will be more concept based question. 6, 7, 8. That's why these three problems concentrate. Next one. If the price of a sugar is raised by 25%, price of the sugar is raised by 25%, then by how much percent should a person reduces consumption of sugar so that its expenditure remains the same. Expenditure, it will be same. Then that person, he has to compromise in the price of the sugar. Whatever the amount of sugar he is consuming, that amount he has to compromise, because he has to maintain the expenditure same. Always expenditure at one point, expenditure 1 I will consider, it will be same as expenditure. Expenditure, it will be same, consider as equal 1 1 only, otherwise 1 1 I will change. Here expenditure, the amount, whatever he is spending, the amount, it will be same. That's why I wrote expenditure at one case, it will be equal to expenditure in the another case. You can consider expenditure, it will be same. In the first case, if the price of a sugar is raised by 25%, price of the sugar is raised by 25%, then assume here the price of the sugar, it will be 100 rupees. At the beginning, 100 rupees, it will be the price of the sugar in the beginning. If 20% raised means 25% of 100 means how much? 25 by 100, you will get here how much? 100 into 100, correct no? 25 rupees. 25, I will up here. Otherwise you can write it as 125 directly. 1 minute, okay. You can write directly as 125 also. Into 100, then 25, then 100 plus 25, that is 125. After rising the price of the sugar to 25%, then what is the total cost? 125 rupees. 100 plus 25%, 100 plus 25, 125. Directly you can write, otherwise you can calculate also. Here you are having two different cases. First case, assume rupees 100 for 1 kg of sugar. 1 kg of sugar, it will be 100 rupees. Consider expenditure 1 kg of sugar, it will be 100 rupees. Then we don't know the kg, how much kg, I will write here 1 kg, I will write here kg of sugar, it will be 100 rupees. We don't know C kg, we don't know that one. Consider as C. Any unknown quantities you can consider, any alphabet you can consider. C kg of sugar. Then here price, it will be 125 rupees, because the sugar price, it will be raised by 25%. Okay, when you are comparing expenditure, the quantity here, the quantity of the when you are comparing two quantities, the quantity and also here the quantity, it will be sugar in both the case also. Then I am comparing kg with the price. This is the first case, this is the second case. Then 1 kg of sugar, it will be 100 rupees in the beginning. This is the first one in the first case. In the second case, if it is the cost of the sugar, if it is increased by 25%, then the cost, it will be 125 rupees. This is rupees. You can write it as, here I will write even rupees also, then you will not get confused. Those who are learning in the first time, you will get confused. If you know the concept, easily you can do it. This is 100 rupees, then this is rupees 125 rupees. No need to write all the steps in the exam, they need only the final answer. Then this C, it will be amount in kg, 100 divided by 125, simplify, you will get 0.8 kg. See, if the cost of the sugar is 125 rupees, then how much he can bought? Otherwise, how in the same amount, how much he can purchase? Only 0.8 kg. Then here, what is the difference? In the beginning, he is having 1 kg minus now he is having 0.8 kg. that the difference in amount of sugar is 0.2 kg. This much he has to compromise. Then here this consider as this quantity 2, this first one is quantity 1. Then quantity 1 divided by quantity 2 into 100. We have to find out how much percentage he has to compromise. Beginning 1 kg, then compromising is, sorry, this is considered as quantity 1, this is quantity 2, because we are comparing 0.2 kg with 1 kg, no, that's why this is correct. Then this is second one, this is the first one. Quantity 1 is 1.2 kg with comparing with 1 kg into 100. Then he will get 20%. He has to compromise 20% of the sugar. Once again I will explain in the shorter way, because I explained lengthy one. Very easy. If the price of a sugar is raised by 25%, then how much percentage should a person reduce his consumption of the sugar? How much percentage they are asking? See, how much percentage they are asking. We got at the end 20% he has to compromise, so that his expenditure remains same. Whatever the amount he is spending, expenditure in the both the case also it will be same. In the first case, assume the quantity 1 kg of sugar is 100 rupees. After increasing the price of the sugar, the final cost of the sugar is 125. Okay, then you are comparing two quantities. 1 kg of sugar is 100 rupees before. After increasing, we don't know, same quantity, we have to compromise in the quantity of the sugar with the amount. Compare, you will get 0.8 kg. And how much percentage he has to compromise? That is 20%. Revise one more time, we will come to it. Question number 7. Y has to score 40% marks to pass. He gets 20 marks and failed by 40 marks, the maximum marks of the exam. Very interesting question. Here consider M is the total marks. Here you are having the figure like this is the 0 marks, then this one is the maximum marks, this is the passing marks somewhere here 40%. Y has scored 40% marks to pass. In the first case, this is the maximum one, Y has to score 40% marks to pass. He has to score 40 percentage of marks, 40 percentage of maximum marks. This is the maximum marks, 40 percentage of maximum marks. How we can write this one? 40 divided by 100 into maximum marks, otherwise 40m divided by 100. Anyway, consider m means maximum marks. This is the Y case. This one it will be the Y case. To score 40% marks to pass, he gets 20 marks. He get 20 marks and failed by 40 marks. This is the passing one. Okay. 40 percentage of maximum marks, 40 by 100 into M. Then consider Y case. He gets 20 marks and failed by 40 marks. 20 marks plus failed by 40 marks. The passing marks it will be 40m divided by 100. This is the passing mark. This is the passing mark. Then Y, he gets 20 marks. Only he got 20 marks. Failed by 40 marks. Failed by 40 marks means to secure passing marks, he need 40 marks more. Correct? No? And don't get confused here. They are talking about the Y. Passing marks, it will be 40 divided by 100 into M, maximum marks. Okay. 40 by 100 into maximum. This is the passing mark. We don't know the passing mark. We have to find that one. Then why he gets 20 marks? He got 20 marks. Then failed by 40 marks. Failed by 40 marks means he need 40 marks more to get passing marks. This it will be equal to passing marks. This is the failed mark. I will write here. This is the failed mark. Correct now? Simplify here. You will get the value of m. Simplify here. You will get the value of m. 20 plus 40, it will be 60. Then this it will be the mark. Okay, this also mark. Then 60, it will be 40 divided by capital M divided by 100. Then 1010, it will get cancel. Then marks, it will be maximum marks, it will be how much? 600. You can cancel it here. 0 get cancelled. Then 2 2s are 2 5s are. Then this one 2 1s are 2 3s are. 5 3s are 15. 150 marks. Maximum marks, it will be 150 marks. Revise 1 or 2 times, you will get. Here don't get confused. Why has to score 40 marks to pass? He get 20 marks and failed by 40 marks. He got 20 marks. Failed by 40 marks means you have to if he has to pass, he need 40 marks. That's why I wrote plus here 40 marks. This is the passing mark here. 40 m divided by 100. Simplify, you will get. Last question number 8. A scores 10%, fail by 30 marks. I'm writing only A. Passing mark of A. 10% of maximum mark. 10 by 100 into m. 10m divided by 100. Okay. B score 10% and fails by 30. Fails by 30 means you have to add. That is the passing mark of A. Passing mark of B, it will be how much? 40% of maximum mark means 40m divided by 100. Then he scored 30 more marks. 30 more marks means you have to subtract minus 30. Then passing marks, you have to equate in both the case. Then this equation 1, otherwise equation 1, it will be equal to 2 because we are comparing the passing marks. Passing mark for both the case also, it will be same. That's why you can equate it here. 10 maximum marks, capital M means maximum marks, 100 plus 30, it will be equal to 40 maximum marks divided by 100 minus 30. Here why I wrote plus 30 minus 30 means those he failed by 30 means he need plus 30 marks. Therefore put plus 30. If anyone is failed by 30 marks means you have to add. Anyone if he got more marks compared to maximum marks means you have to subtract. That one you have to remember. Then simplify here, take the LCM. 10m plus 3000 divided by LCM is 100 here. Then 40m minus 3000 divided by 100. Then 100 100 get cancelled. 10m plus 3000, it will be 40m minus 3000. Then 30m, it will be how much? 6000. Then m, it will be 6000 divided by 30. 0 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 200. So m maximum marks, it will be 200. What is mean by m? M means maximum marks. Maximum marks, it will be 200. Understood? Very easy question. Here, 1 minute. Okay, here A is one student, B it will be the one student. But in the when you are considering in the class, passing marks it will be same. For our case, in our school, 100, 35 marks it will be the passing marks, like that. Here maximum marks is 200. What is the passing mark? In both the boys also, passing marks it will be equal. That's why you have to equate these two. Then here A scores 10% and fails by 30 marks. 10% of M, maximum marks. M means here maximum, we don't know maximum marks, don't get confused. Then 10 by 100 into M, it will be plus 30. Why I wrote plus 30? Because he failed by 30 marks. 30 marks means plus 30 you have to do. Then in case of B, he scored 40 marks of the maximum one and gets 30 marks more. More means you have to subtract. Okay. Then compare both the values, you will get the answer. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. I think the question on the percentage, it will be helpful for you. Then I will see if any question I missed in this one percentage, try to next class. Otherwise, I will move to the next topic. Thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. Definitely these set of questions, it will help for you to clear your ctet exam general paper.